Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily apply to be a CapCut template creator. So here, open your CapCut apps on your phone and then just go to the Me or your profile by clicking on this Me button. Okay, so in here on your profile, you'll easily find this apply to be a creator option. Click on that and CapCut will lead you to this template creator page. So here, why you need to be a template creator: you can show your creativity, build your audience, and you can also get cash rewards. So to apply, you can just scroll down and here fill in your phone number and then add your video portfolio. So this is the video that you've edited on CapCut, so just add the video uploaded to CapCut, or you can also import from your TikTok account. Here you need to add your social media account like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube. And after that, here if you have a reference code, just type in here, then click on this circle to check the acknowledge the disclaimer from CapCut, and after that just click on submit and just wait from the CapCut teams, the news from the CapCut team that will send in the CapCut apps letter. So they will inform you whether they reject or accept your apply. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.